Alright, fourth part of this. Third part didn't take too long. Got a simplex T-bar. I'm surprised they still have that 7001 up there. It's all rusted as well. Yep, it's all rusted as well. Dang, it's like really went down, this place. Another 7001. Yeah, the strobe's weaker than the actual horn itself. Got a ceiling mount 4903 up there. Yep, brand new one. You confused? Good, me too. 'Cause I haven't been in this part of the building in like forever. We got another 7001 T, really broken up T-bar, simplex T-bar. I think we can go up stairs here. Not too many flights of stairs here at this one. Coming up here is another T-bar. And another 4903. What a surprise. I think this one's actually also got a Truler as well somewhere. Don't know where, but it's somewhere. I thought there was an alarm like right here. Oh, there it is, 4903. Simplex 4903. The last lodge I took a look at, the third one, had like overloaded with True Alerts. Speaking of True Alert, this one has a True Alert horn, the Simplex 4903 ceiling mount again. It's really big, this place. It's like all kinds of rooms. Here we are again with another 4903 up there. And I assume another T-bar. Yep. Yippers, another T-bar. Let's see if my dad's far off. I don't think he's far off at all, actually. This might not actually take too long. Yeah, surprisingly, this is a very short part of the hotel. Because, surprisingly, there's no east or west side specifically to it. I don't know if they'll think about doing it in the near future or it's just gonna stay like that forever. Man, it's dark up here. Anyways, we got a simplex T-bar. 4903 up there. I'm up here. Okay, so it's gonna be the last part. Yeah, last part of this. It's pretty fun trip at the beach, but now it's coming to an end, unfortunately. Though I wish it wouldn't. Sorry, there was a bug on. We locked 7001T with the strobe faded up. And I think up here is a True Alert. Is it a True Alert? Yes, I think it is. Yep, that right there is a simplex True Alert. Another fire alarm fail, anyone. Yep. These alarms are really rusted up. Hey, look, the last alarm. A Wheelock 7001T. Strobe again. Another simplex T-bar. Man, it's got like paint on it. That's not good, man. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this like little mini series here. Stay tuned for more fire alarm tours in the future. Goodbye.